Oh, good, there you are. Welcome. I'm just going to do the front axle at last. As another topping up exercise, I checked the fluid level in the gearbox and it took half a litre. So, the stuff that's coming out of the transfer box is also coming out of the gearbox as well by the look of it, because I've been monitoring it and cleaning it, and it's always pink. So clearly there's a seal failure at the back end of the gearbox anyway. Well, that's okay because the transfer box will have to come out soon. They can do it all at the same time, so it's not really a big deal. It's just something to keep an eye on. Anyway, yeah, just slacking the blooming plastic. Hell, I'm not here. I'm in the middle of the road here. There's stuff I do. Right. So let's get on with it, shall we? Because I'll get run over. Oh, I don't like the look of this. Putting the muck on that. That's not the worst thing. I wonder what that is. Or was. Right. Whatever it is, it's not something you want to see stuck to your magnetic drain plug, is it? It's well mangled, so it must have gone round a few times. Can't feel any more bits. Just tried my cheap little £40 camera. Can't see bugger all. What to mean anything. Oh well, slap some more oil in, crack on. In the good old Yorkshire way, it'll be right. Drippy time. Right, guess what? Got some of them metal ones from Ireland 4x4, I think it was. No, I don't like that. Didn't like the way that started, so I'm going to put the old one back in. Right, come back to that. I didn't like the way that wasn't starting very well, so I put the old one back in. Hang on, we'll come back to that. Well, let's face it, we've saved a ton of weight. Right. Answers on a postcard. Oh, that's the diff oil changed. Right, the other thing I wanted to have a look at was the crankcase breather. Make sure it's clear and everything's happy and there's not too much oil sloshing about in the engine. So pop that bit off there, pop this bit off here. There. There. Give that a little swirl out. I found some carburetor cleaner. Right, I think it's best I can do with that. That's clear. Yeah, that's it, with the right orientation. That screw done, that's off there. This is a good opportunity to give me MAF sensor a clean. There. Pop that back in there. One. Two. Reconnect. Right, and now when it's in the right place, I can tighten that up. Goes back on there. Okay, right, tea's ready. So that's it, it's all over. I'll put the cover back after tea. That's about it really. That's all I'm going to do today. It's been threatening rain. Now the sun's come out. Bloody marvellous. Excellent. Right, so what do we know? We know, yeah, what the hell with it. Yes, MOT, I'm just going to go for it and just take it on the chin, like a man. Yeah. Yeah, okay, alright, something similar anyway. Yeah, so, okay. So anyway, hope everybody's well, hope you're all staying safe and you're all having a jolly good time in your Land Rovers and double cabs and Skodas and anything else you might find handy to drive around in and enjoy. Because we need to enjoy them now because the tide's turning against us, I fear. Right, anyway, never mind that. Get yourselves off, get a cup of tea. Personally, I'm gagging. So, thanks for watching. Don't get lost or squashed. I'll see you in a bit.